Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to make chicken karahi for you. Now, this is what you call a karahi, you see, a wok. So, anything cooked in wok like that, meat or chicken, is called karahi. But it comes in a different type of cooking style and different flavors. We're going to give you one unique one, which is a simple recipe with a few spices and some greens. It is a delicious dish, awesome. Eating with naan, chapati, or garlic bread, you name it, any kind of bread, or you can even eat it with rice. What do we need? Let us show you. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander ground, a pinch of black seeds. You don't have to use it, but it's recommended. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. What we have here is a green coriander leaves and a bit of ginger, which we're going to cut fine slices. We have 1 kilo of chicken, baby chicken. We have fenugreek leaf, dried fenugreek leaf, 1 teaspoon. The 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon each, crushed ginger and garlic. That makes it 2 tablespoons together, 1 tablespoon each. About 50 to 80 gram of butter. It all depends on your taste. You can even use up to 100 gram. The more the butter, the tastier it is. 5 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, a bit of sunflower cooking oil and salt according to your taste. Here we go. We brought half a cup oil into the karahi. The pot is called karahi, you see. And half a cup oil, bring it to heat, medium to high flame, and place the chicken in there and start shallow frying the chicken. And then you add the salt according to your taste. Again, you can add a bit of salt here, and then at the end you can always check the salt content and add more if you wish. About 5 minutes of medium to high flame frying. You keep stirring it and also add about 5 to 6 minutes later you add the paste of the crushed ginger and garlic we made. We just added that and we're going to continue frying. Turn that into sort of a brownish color and then you add the tomatoes in there. Okay, about 5 minutes of ginger and garlic into the system. Just about when they start to caramelize, just sort of a gold brown color. Keep stirring it, keep it on to a medium to high flame, and we just added tomatoes in there and we're going to continue cooking. We chopped up the tomatoes. You can use the whole tomatoes, but chopping up makes it more flavorsome and easy into the wok. For about 8 minutes of cooking tomatoes into the system, we are now going to add all these spices together. Here they go. If you see the cooking is drying out, you can add a couple of drops of water in the system just to keep it moist. Do not let it run dry. Here you go. The masala has gone in and we're going to continue cooking. Further 7 to 8 minutes cooking after adding all those spices, we given a drop of water to keep the system moist, and it has been now 6 to 7 minutes further cooking on medium to high flame, and we just added those green fine cut chilies, not too fine but sort of chopped up chilies into here, and continue cooking. Beautiful aroma here. About further 6 to 7, 8 minutes of cooking. Few drops of water has been added a few times, 3-4 times into the system to keep it all moist and not let it dry. and the fire has been just turned down to medium to low, not too low but medium to low, and the cooking still continues, and it is towards the final steps now. We only got a couple of things to be added. We're just going to add butter in here now. There you go, butter is gone in, and off it goes. The butter roast has been done for about 2-3 minutes on a medium flame. It's a beautiful shine to the curry, the karahi, and we've just added fenugreek leaves, the dried fenugreek leaves we've shown you, and continue cooking for a couple of more minutes before we add the garnish stuff into it, and that will be the final bit. Okay, after adding dried fenugreek leaves, we cooked it for further 2 to 3 minutes. Checked everything is being done. You can poke it with the knife. If you think it's not done, you can always add a bit of water and carry on cooking. So there is the garnishing happening. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the final job done. Okay, the awesome chicken kadai is ready. It's beautiful taste. It's just been tested. All the spices, a beautiful flavor, awesome taste, delicious. One of the nicest dish to eat with rice, chapatis, naans, bread, you name it. Beautiful taste. Please try it and let us know if you like us to cook anything else. Please also subscribe to our channel, like our dish, and also press on the bell icon. Thank you very much.